How to open demo account in Plus500. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can open demo account in Plus500. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Plus500, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Plus500, it is a highly rated trading provider that offers a proprietary platform for trading a wide range of financial instruments, including over 2,800 instruments across forex, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. And the company's vision is to continuously strengthen its position as multi-asset fintech group by expanding its product offerings, launching new tradings and financial products, and deepening engagement with customers. And also, Plus500 has a strong focus on customer service with all communication done in writing via email or live chat. And the company emphasizes the importance of security and warns customers about fraudulent emails or unsolicited approaches. And now to start using this platform, you can also click the Start Trading button on the top right corner. Then you will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, to start creating an account, you can simply enter here your email address, your password, or you could also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. And after signing in, you will be able to be directed on this dashboard of Plus500, in which from here it will show you all of the details. And as you can see, currently we have here a 40,000 euro available balances, in which that is just only for demo account on how to use this platform efficiently. We also have here 40,000 of equity, and also we can navigate on the top panel the amount of margin and profit or loss in here. Now on the left side panel, we could also navigate here some other option, including the trade, open position, orders, close positions, insights, funds, and many more. As you can see from here, you could also change the light mode into dark mode if you want to. And currently, as you can see in here, we're currently under demo mode. But if you turn this on, you'll now be able to be directed in our real account in Plus500, in which it will show us that we have here currently 0 balances on the top panel. However, to start using this platform or for demo mode, just proceed by clicking again this demo mode option right here in order to turn on demo mode account and start using this platform efficiently. So basically from here, it will show you under trade how you can start buy or sell different kind of instrument in here, in which on the left side panel, it will show us here the spotlight, the commodities option, indices, crypto, forex options, forex, and many more. And on the right side panel, it will show us in here the details, including the instrument change, in percentage, the amount to sell, amount to buy, and other details in here. So for instance, we're choosing this forex option, Euro or USD. And from here, let's say we're going to buy this kind of forex option. By clicking on it, it will show us on the right side panel how we can start buying or purchasing a Euro or USD. And below here, it will show us the current data or price of a specific instrument. And as you can see, we have here currently 1.07048 as the current price. Now on the right side panel, if you also want to start trading, just click or customize the amount of it that you want to trade. For instance, I'm going to enter here the amount to trade, which is 10,000 euro. And below it will show us the required margin in order to place an order. And if you also want to search or look for specific close at profit, below here just simply enter the prices or the possible prices. If it went up, it will show you below here the profit that you will get. For instance, currently, the amount or prices is 1.07144. But if you can customize or it went up into 1.9044, below here is the profit that you will get upon trading the 10,000 euro. However, if the current price decreases, we'll be able to see here the close at loss by simply clicking here and enter on this point the possible or determinable prices in here. For instance, if we trade now amounting the price of 1.07096, and in the future, if it became 1.00960, below here is the possible loss that you will get. So basically, before you trade, make sure that you also need to consider all of these factors, including the close profit and close at loss, before start placing an order to trade on this platform. So basically, Plus500 provides several order types to help traders manage their risk, including market orders, limit orders, trailing stop orders, guaranteed stop orders, close at loss orders, and close at profit orders. And also traders can also set up price and percentage alerts to be notified of market movements. And as you can see, you could also navigate here this info section in order to see the info amount, such as to sell or to buy, the live statistics in here, the trading info, and many more, in which that is also very helpful before trading or placing an order on this platform. Additionally, Plus500's educational and market analysis resources are more limited compared to some competitors. And under insights from here, it will also show you the amount of instrument views, trading popularity, and the current trader sentiment number. So all of these data are very helpful before trading on this Plus500. And from here, you could also change some other instrument that you prefer. We have here a shares option for a specific kind of website or company. For example, Amazon right here. By clicking on it, it will show us on the right side panel the details, the number of change percentage in here. You will be able to see here below the data, including the profit and loss that you will get upon trading on this website or company. So by clicking buy, from here all we need to do is simply enter the number of shares that we want to buy in here. For instance, 1000 shares. Below it will show us the required margin and the value of it. And again, to see the close at profit, by clicking here, it will show us the current price in here, which is 184.75. But if we trade now or place order and it went up, let's say the amount of it or the price of it become 190, this is the profit that we will get. But that is just only if the price went up. However, by determining the close at loss, just enter here the possible amount of loss or decrease in prices, and below it will show us the determinable loss that we will get upon placing an order right now. So basically, Plus500 allows traders to capitalize on ongoing price trends in the market, whether upward or downward. And traders can use technical analysis tools like charts and indicators to identify and follow these trends. And also, traders can look for breakouts from established price ranges or patterns on Plus500 platforms and enter positions to profit from the subsequent price movements. And aside from that, Plus500's platform supports swing trading, where traders aim to profit from expected short-term price swings or changes in direction, holding positions for days or weeks. Now moving on the left side panel, we can also navigate here this open positions option by clicking on it. From here, it will show you all of your currently hold on contract in a financial instrument, and you will either profit or experience loss from any changes in the price of that financial instrument until you decide to close the trade. So basically, once you place an order on the trade option, it will show you in here your open position or your record. Well, now moving on orders, from here it will show you a set of instructions to a broker to buy or sell an asset on trader's behalf. Now moving on to close positions, from here it will show you all of the trade that is no longer active or the trade that you've been closed. Moving on, you could also navigate here on the left side panel the insights to know, in which it is the tool aggregates and analyzes millions of data points to surface insights that were previously only available to brokers and professionals traders on this platform. And this includes information on the most traded instruments, highest profit-making and loss-making positions, trader sentiment, and many more. Now moving on, we could also navigate here the funds option by clicking on it. From here, it will provide us users with a range of convenient and secure methods to manage our funds for trading. It will show us the account balances of our equity, initial margin, and maintenance margin. Moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel this menu in order to navigate your account, tools, help, settings, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how you can open a demo account in Plus500. Thank you.